Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G52 and let me show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, just tap on this green install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you will see now, it will not take a lot of time, so we'll just simply wait. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and open the app. Here you're gonna tap on continue. Next, you will be able to decide whether some of the features of this browser will be enabled from the start, or you can go ahead, skip them, and configure those features later. In my case, I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting the Opera as the default browser step. Here you can either customize the permissions or, well, allow them. I'll go ahead and allow all of them. And that will ultimately mean that we are all set, and you can go ahead and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.